You've been split between two worlds, half committed to the grind but constantly pulled back by distractions. You say you want to be great, but you scroll through your days, chasing dopamine instead of greatness. And deep down, you know it's not enough, because there's a version of you that doesn't play games. He doesn't need motivation. He trains when no one's watching. He cuts out everything that doesn't serve him. That version of you, he's locked in, and the only way to reach him is to go silent, to pull away from the noise, disappear from the surface, and rebuild yourself in the shadows. This isn't a motivational video. This is a decision to step out of comfort and step into obsession. Not everyone's ready for that, but if you are, then it's time. Go ghost and come back unrecognizable. You can't transform if you don't know who you're becoming. What do you actually want? Not go pro or get better. That's vague. Who do you want to be on the pitch? Fast, smart, unstoppable in 1v1s. The player the coaches build around? Write it down. Build that version in your mind like a character in a game. And now, reverse engineer him. If you're not training like that guy today, you're wasting your time. You don't need more hours. You need fewer distractions. Delete the apps. Turn off notifications. Unfollow the content that keeps you watching instead of working. Every time you scroll, you're trading your dream for 15 seconds of dopamine. Ghost mode means cutting off the noise, even from your friends, so you can lock in. You don't owe anyone your presence. You owe yourself progress. You want to be different, then train differently. No more lazy reps, no more casual shooting sessions. Start training your brain to think faster, not just your body to move quicker. Every drill should either break you or build you, and if it's not, change it. Every day is shaping you or erasing you. You wake up late, scroll, and skip breakfast. What do you think that builds? Now imagine this. You wake up early, still, quiet, hydrate, stretch. Before the world starts screaming, you've already trained your mind. Before the sun sets, your body's already been pushed past its limit. And by the time others even start thinking about improving, you're recovering, fueled, studied, and already planning tomorrow. That's not a routine. That's a weaponized lifestyle. But here's the problem. Most players can't stick to anything. They start strong, then fall off. Why? Because they never built the system to outlast their feelings. You don't need motivation, you need automation. Track your sessions, log your meals, set alarms, build rituals, make your schedule so tight, falling off becomes harder than staying on. This is how pros live. Not perfect, relentless. And then there's your mind, your brain. It's the command center. If it's foggy, you're done before the session starts. Meditate, breathe, journal, reflect. Start your day with silence. End it with truth. That's how you block out noise. That's how you hear the voice that says, keep going. Now imagine doing this for 90 days. No skipping, no detours, just discipline. You come out of that tunnel unrecognizable. Teammates whisper, what happened? Coaches take one look and see it in your eyes. You didn't just train, you transformed. That's ghost mode, not just disappearing, but returning as someone they can't even comprehend. So let the distractions rot, let the doubters talk, let the old version of you die, because this is the season, the switch up, the return of a monster. If you're ready to lock in, comment, I'm locked in, and subscribe if you want more than hype. If you want videos that cut deep, push limits, and train you like the pro you claim to be. Until next time, stay dangerous, stay disciplined, stay locked in.